Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to manage domain links and custom settings in System.io. So first, let's set up your domain by default. System.io gives you a free subdomain, but if you want your own custom domain, go to settings and click custom domains. Add your domain, then update the DNS records in your domain provider. You will need a name record pointing www.system.io. Once it's verified, you can use your branded domain for all your funnels. Next, let's clean up your funnel links. Open your funnel, select a page, and in page settings, adjust path, also called the slug. For example, change it to checkout or thank you. So link becomes yourbrand.com checkout. Keep slug short and easy to remember. Finally, explore custom settings here. You can add SEO titles, descriptions, and images for better Google ranking and social sharing. You can also add tracking codes like Facebook Pixel or Google Analytics to monitor performance. Don't forget to set a favicon for branding. With these steps, your funnel will look polished, secure, and ready to convert visitors into customers. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.